Do we need all of our associates to be hungry?
Well, semi.
At least semi.
They don't have to be as hungry as us, because then they're going to go out and start their own practice.
And that's kind of my point, is that you can have role players that aren't super hungry, aren't super productive, but they make you more productive, right? So she's going to be in that practice with you. So I had a guy that I practiced with for 26 years. And he was kind of stuck in second gear, but going so slow, right? It was going like that. But he was awesome because he would do hygiene exams, right? So to me, that helped me that I didn't have to get up that often because we had a bunch of hygiene going through there. So I didn't want to get up and do the hygiene exam. So that helped me. Then we had one who would do same day, right? So if I was running behind and I had somebody who needed fillings, they would ask the patient, "Oh, Dr. Meis run a little bit behind. Would you like to wait for him, or is available and he can do it for you?" Right? So half probably took. So he relieved a lot of pressure off my schedule. He saw all the emergencies. He did a bunch of new patient exams and did a bunch of hygiene exams, right? Which allowed me freedom to just sit and produce. So it was and literally, and I don't recommend this, but literally the team would go in and grab him by the collar like this because he would sit and play games in his office on his phone, and they would grab him and lift him up. So if somebody went and got him, and kind of, "Come on, you can do it," he would go do stuff. But it took that to get him to do it, right? But it all made me more productive. And while I was in the zone of, that's great because I'm getting more productive, then I began to understand tiger proof. And I understood I was building something that was less and less tiger proof. So I had to change kind of how we went about that. So if she was doing 32 in 2 days, how many of you would accept an associate that was doing 70 a month? Yeah. Right. So that's not bad. Yep. So that she isn't as driven as you may not be a bad thing.
Okay.